Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at Thunder Roadhouse. They having a car show out here this morning. Check this out. It's beautiful in Fallon. Look at that, man. All right, let me get back on point. Go down here and start. I'm gonna start down here at the bottom, down this way, and work my way around. And this is where I'm located, guys. I'm located right here. It's my third year coming out here. It's my third year. How time flies. I've been doing this 3 years almost. In August be 3 years I've started my YouTube channel, Uncle Mike 392. I wanted to be just Uncle Mike, but I found when I started like 1,000 Uncle Mikes, but I said, okay, I got my favorite engine is 392, so I stuck with it, and that's what I've been in. Uncle Mike 392. Good morning, sir. Look at that. Beautiful. How you doing, sir?
Good, sir. Thank you.
All right. Put you on my YouTube channel.
Tools to carry around. I did.
Yes, sir.
Rinse set.
California. There you go.
Tool bag.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not the concussions. Well, he's not driving today. So this week, the day we're racing today, he's not driving. They had him announced the driver. And he's
Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing?
Fine, and you?
Put y'all on my YouTube channel. You selling this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I got 3,000 subscribers. Maybe somebody will see it and want to buy it.
Well, that'd be great.
Yes, sir.
That'd be great.
Okay, let me get you. What's your name, Carlos?
Carlos,
And your number is 405-990-0307. Okay.
Correct.
How much you want for it?
30,000.
Tell him.
30,000.
30,000. Okay. Running good?
Running good.
All right.
68 Le Mans.
68 Le Mans, guys. And that's my YouTube channel right here. You see where it says on the bottom?
Gotcha.
I appreciate it, bro. I put that on special.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
No problem, sir. Let me go around it.
No problem.
Is this the original color?
Yes,
Okay.
original color. I had it repainted, of course. Pontiac offered about 6 different colors in '68, and this was one of the 6, so I was able to paint it back in original color.
Let me put you on it. Go ahead and tell them about it.
Yep, this is a 1968 Pontiac Le Mans, 350 engine, Edelbrock carburetor, has new Cobra tires, new Kragers, and it's ready for another home.
There you go.
All right.
I appreciate you, brother.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Ma'am, you want to say something on YouTube? No. Okay. All right. She said her piece now. We're gonna move on. Thank you, guys.
This is ours too.
Oh, this yours too? Okay.
That was not considered.
Okay.
That's a 95 Impala SS.
95. Okay. This is my third time coming out here. Every year I've been coming here since I started my channel almost 3 years ago.
All right.
And I've been coming out here, yeah.
Yeah, we had this one out last year.
Yes, sir. Yeah. All right, you guys have a great day.
All right, you do the same.
Yes, sir. Check this out, guys. Got some nice cars out here this morning, guys. This is early too. Let me give you guys another time check. It is 8 o'clock. shall we? Let me keep me moving. Nice, nice, nice. Ooh, look at this. This is nice. It's Cobra. Nice, nice, nice. The Cobra. All right, let me go on this other side, see what they got on this side. I'm gonna work my way around. I started on this side first, guys. Start over there first. On that side over there. It's my first video. It's my second one. Mustang Sally. Look at this engine on this thing, guys. Check this engine out. Ooh, came in. There you go. It's a nice engine. Look at that. That was nice, man. What's this? You feel all right. There's a Cuda, Barracuda.
That's all you got to do.
Your age?
Yeah, what do you mean my age? What do you mean?
Have a heart attack.
This is a Cuda, Barracuda. All right, let's go on this side, guys. Let's keep it going. I'm gonna do the outskirts, and then I'm gonna work my way in the middle. Hopefully some more cars pull up. I'll get you guys some good content this early Sunday morning. It's like a 1967. That's nice. There's a bug. Too.
I like it.
Hey, who let you in here?
Hey! Don't fart.
How you been?
Good. Fat and sassy.
Yeah, that's me.
No, you're cute. Sassy.
Not really. I need to lose more weight.
No way.
Yep. Yep.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
Fine. How you doing, sir?
Doing well. Thanks for your service.
Yes, sir.
brother.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Tell her. Right behind the car. I just said it's about time you got here. If somebody's plugging me in there.
Trans Am. There you go. I I've seen a lot of these back in the day. I think it just looked like from the 80s. I've seen a lot of these all over the place when I was younger. Many moons ago. Oh yeah. There you go. Look at this old boy. Get back some. Got a Waffle House over there. Oh, I love waffles. I like the Belgian waffles with the blueberry syrup. Blueberry, that is. Show you where I'm located again, guys. Thunder Roadhouse, right here. Just showing you around. I'm gonna keep going. I'm just showing you where my location is. Out on Memorial. Here's an old Trans Am, man. Every time I see one, I think about Smokey and the Bandit. Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Look at that Trans Am. Look at that thing. Check out this engine. Got his ice. Got his dice out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it on this one. I'll start me at number 3. I'm gonna go down the middle road here. I'll see you guys on the other side. Later.